Let me give you a close-up look at this 12-inch magnifier for cell phones. It's great for landscape mode. It's not made for vertical mode. You could watch it in vertical, but it's made for landscape. Makes it a lot nicer on the eyes when watching videos. And once you kind of get used to looking at it through the magnifier, you can actually do stuff on there too. It just takes a little bit of time to get used to. If you want to use your thumbs and get on your phone and use your phone actually while you're looking at it through the magnifier, it takes a few minutes to get used to, but once you do, it's nice doing that too. This magnifier is thin, it's light. You could put it in your backpack, briefcase, laptop case. You could just stick it underneath your seat in your vehicle if you'd like, in the glove box. Hope this helps and have yourself a wonderful day.